It's important to understand that becoming a millionaire doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and patience. So, taking small steps towards your financial goals can make a big difference in the long run. First and foremost, starting in baby steps helps to establish good financial habits. These habits, such as saving regularly, budgeting, and avoiding unnecessary expenses, are critical to achieving long-term financial success. Saving even a small amount of money each month can add up over time. It's important to have a budget and stick to it. This means cutting back on unnecessary expenses and avoiding impulse purchases. By starting small and building these habits over time, you'll be more likely to stick with them in the long run. Taking baby steps can help to minimize risk. Investing too much money too quickly can be risky, especially if you're not an experienced investor. By starting with smaller investments and gradually increasing your exposure over time, you'll be better able to manage your risk and avoid costly mistakes. This doesn't mean you have to be a financial expert, but it does mean you need to do your research and choose investments that match your risk tolerance and financial goals. For example, investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds can provide a good balance of risk and return. Starting small can help you to build a solid foundation for your financial future. By focusing on the basics, such as saving, budgeting, and avoiding debt, you'll be better prepared to handle more complex financial issues down the road. While some debt, such as a mortgage or student loans, may be necessary, high-interest debt, like credit card debt, can quickly eat away at your savings. Paying off your debts as soon as possible should be a priority. Saving and investing regularly over the long term is more effective than sporadic efforts. Consistency helps you to build momentum towards your financial goals. This can help to set you up for long-term success, even if you encounter unexpected challenges along the way. The next strategy that will help you to become a millionaire is the debt snowball method. The debt snowball method involves paying off your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. You start by paying the minimum payment on all your debts, except for the smallest one, which you put all your extra money towards until it's paid off. Then you move on to the next smallest debt and repeat the process until all your debts are paid off. This method can be very effective because it gives you a sense of accomplishment and momentum as you pay off your smaller debts first. It can also help you free up more money to put towards your larger debts as you go along. To implement the debt snowball method, you'll need to start by making a list of all your debts in order from smallest to largest. This includes credit card debts, student loans, car loans, and any other debts you may have. Then you'll need to figure out how much extra money you can put towards your debts each month. It's important to note that while you're focusing on paying off your debts, you should also be working on building up an emergency fund. This will help you avoid adding more debt in the event of an unexpected expense or emergency. Once you've paid off all your debts, you can then start focusing on investing your money to grow your wealth. This can include investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or other assets. Then, to continually boost your wealth, do the gazelle intensity. This term was coined by financial guru Dave Ramsey, and it essentially means focusing all of your financial resources and energy on one goal: getting out of debt and building wealth as quickly as possible. The idea behind gazelle intensity is that you need to be as focused and determined as a gazelle being chased by a lion. In other words, you need to be completely committed to your goal and willing to make sacrifices in order to achieve it. Here are some steps you can take to put gazelle intensity into practice and become a millionaire in just 12 years. Get rid of all non-essential expenses. The first step in achieving gazelle intensity is to cut out all unnecessary expenses from your life. This might mean downsizing your home, getting rid of your car, or cutting back on eating out and other luxuries. Create a budget. Once you've eliminated all unnecessary expenses, you need to create a budget that takes into account your income and your necessary expenses, like rent, utilities, groceries, etc. Stick to this budget religiously and make adjustments as needed. Attack your debt. If you have any debt, whether it's credit card debt, student loans, or a mortgage, make it your top priority to pay it off as quickly as possible. This may mean taking on a second job or finding ways to earn extra income. The next step is having a strong motivation. You need to develop a solid financial plan. Make sure to take into account factors like inflation and potential market fluctuations when creating your plan. Then pursue higher-paying job opportunities, starting a side hustle or business, or investing in real estate. Keep in mind that the key to building wealth is not just making money, but also saving and investing it wisely. It is also important to surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your goals and can offer support and encouragement along the way. This can be achieved by joining a financial community, attending networking events, or even finding a financial advisor to guide you through the process. Fifth step, create your own spark. Inheriting a large sum of money can make it easy, but for the majority of us, becoming a millionaire requires hard work, dedication, and a little bit of luck. And creating a spark in your financial future will surely make you rich. This means doing your research, diversifying your portfolio, and taking calculated risks. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, but also don't be afraid to take a chance on a promising investment. It is also very important to have a long-term mindset. Becoming a millionaire in 12 years isn't easy, but it's possible if you stay focused on your goal and don't give up. Remember, creating a spark in your financial future requires patience, dedication, and hard work, but the end result is well worth it. Next step is having a mindset that life is not easy, and many people dream of finding a quick fix, a magic pill to make their life better. Unfortunately, such a solution does not exist. You must continuously educate yourself about personal finance. This means reading books, attending seminars, and seeking advice from financial experts. The more you know, the better equipped you will be to make informed decisions about your money. It's essential to have patience and stay committed to your financial goals. Becoming a millionaire takes time, but with a solid plan and persistence, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life you've always dreamed of. And the final step to be a millionaire in just 12 years, you must start today. Yes, you heard it right. The most important step in your journey towards becoming a millionaire is to take action now. To develop a solid financial plan that will help you reach your goal. This plan should include setting a budget, creating an emergency fund, and investing wisely. Setting a budget will help you track your expenses and ensure that you are spending within your means. In becoming a millionaire, you must increase your income. This can be achieved by working hard to advance in your career, starting a side hustle, or investing in real estate. The key is to find ways to increase your earning potential and take advantage of opportunities as they arise. Lastly, it is essential to be disciplined and consistent in your efforts. Remember that becoming a millionaire in 12 years requires a long-term commitment, and there will be challenges and setbacks along the way. But if you stay focused on your goals and remain disciplined in your approach, you will eventually achieve financial freedom and the lifestyle you have always dreamed of. What do you think about this topic? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video.